Dear learners, today I am going to describe you about the prokaryotic cell. Okay, I am going to describe prokaryotic cell in a very crisp way. So prokaryotic, let's understand what does it mean. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. So those organisms having primitive type of nucleus are considered as the prokaryotes. The best example for the prokaryotic cell is bacterial cell. So this is the diagram of the bacterial cell. Before understanding any cell, first we need to understand that there are three functional reasons. First one is cell membrane or plasma membrane, second one is cytoplasm, and third one is nucleus or nucleoid. In case of eukaryotic cell, it would be nucleus. In case of prokaryotic cell, it would be nucleoid. Okay, so these are the three functional reasons. So let's discuss about the prokaryotic cell. The outermost membrane is termed as cell wall, which is followed by the cell membrane. Cell wall is also present in the plant cell, but this cell wall is different from the plant cell in the chemical composition. Okay, other than cell wall and plasma membrane, there is an additional membrane which is termed as capsule or gliocalyx or slime. Sometimes it may or may not be present in the bacterial cell, but if it is present, then it provides the protection to the bacterial cell from the unfavorable conditions. Okay, all right. Next to the plasma membrane, there is jelly-like substance which is called as cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, all the cellular organelles as well as cell inclusions are embedded. In the center of the cytoplasm, or approximately almost in the center of the cytoplasm, there is ill-defined nucleus or incipient nucleus present. This incipient nucleus or ill-defined nucleus is actually single circular chromosome. Single circular chromosome is the characteristic feature of the bacterial or prokaryotic cell. As you can see that this single circular chromosome or this single circular DNA is not delimited by any membrane. So the cytoplasmic content could be in direct contact with the nucleoid or the DNA content. That is why it is called as the primitive type of nucleus or nucleoid. Okay, anything can directly come into the contact with the nucleoid. Other than nucleoid, in some bacterial cell, there is an extra chromosomal material present which is termed as plasmid. Plasmid provides the antibiotic resistance to the bacterial cell. Here another feature is present which is known as mesosome. Mesosome is nothing but the infolding or invagination of the plasma membrane. It extends the surface area and it helps in the respiratory reactions. It actually provides the surface area for the respiratory reactions. As you already know, all double membranous organelles are absent, such as mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. So mesosome actually helps in the respiration. Other than mesosome, you can spot here small granule like structure. These granules are known as ribosomes. The characteristic feature of the prokaryotic cell is the presence of 70S type of ribosomes. These 70S type of ribosomes are actually made up of two subunits. Smaller subunit is of 30S type, while the larger subunit is of 50S type. As you already know, S is about the Swedberg coefficient or the sedimentation coefficient, or it is simply known as the Swedberg coefficient. So these two subunits constitute together 70S type of ribosome. Here one extended part you can easily see. This is known as flagellum and it helps in the locomotion of the bacterial cell. Other than flagellum, here are many hair-like appendages present which are known as villi, and they help in the adhesion or they help in the contact during the conjugation. So this is the structure of a typical prokaryotic cell or bacterial cell. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you.